Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start next exercise of chapter number 5, that is 5.2. Question number 1 of exercise 5.2. Graph the feasible region. Feasible region mean a region, as we know there are 4 coordinates. Coordinate number 1, 2, 3 and 4. A graph which lies in first coordinate, that is known as in feasible region. So now I am starting exercise 5.2, question number 1, first part. Graph the feasible region of the following system of linear inequalities and find corner points in each case. There are 1, 2 and 3. 3 linear inequality expressions are given. First one is 2x minus 3y is less than or equals to 6. I am writing solution. 2x minus 3y is equal to or less than 6. This is number 1. Now write its associated equation. As you know, associated equation mean to write any inequality expression into equality form. 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Give it number 2. Now to plot any graph, two intercepts are compulsory. First of all, I am calculating x-intercept as we have done in last questions. To calculate x-intercept, put y is equal to 0 in associated equation. 2x as it is minus 3 in place of y 0 is equal to 6. So value of x is 3. Hence, this is a point on this intercept having value 3 and 0. Now calculate y-intercept. To calculate y-intercept, put value of x is equal to 0 in associated equation, that is number 2. In place of x 0 minus 3, y as it is equal to 6. So the value, calculated value of y is minus 2. Hence, this is a point on this given linear inequality expression having value of x 0 and value of y minus 2. Now testing point. Testing point is necessary to calculate whether this given inequality expression is true or false. For testing point, put x is equal to y is equal to 0 in given linear inequality expression. When you put in place of x 0 and in place of y 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 is less than or equals to 6. This is 0, 0 is less than 6, so this is true. And as we know, when the solution of linear inequality expression is true, then graph is towards the origin. Graph towards origin side. Now I am solving second linear inequality expression, that is 2x plus 3y is less than or equals to 12. Number 1, its associated equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. I have written directly associated equation. Now calculate x-intercept. To calculate x-intercept, again same steps. Put value of y is equal to 0. In second given linear inequality expression, that is 2x plus 3 in place of y 0 is equal to 12. So value of x is 6 here. Hence, this is a point on this given linear inequality expression having value 6 and 0. Now calculate y-intercept. Remember these steps in sequence. Put x is equal to 0 in given linear inequality expression. 2 as it is in place of x 0 plus 3 y is equal to 12. So value of y is 4 now. Hence, this is another point on this given linear inequality expression having value 0 and 4. Testing point. Testing point. For testing point, put x is equal to y is equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 is less than or equals to 12. 0 is less than 12. It is true. So graph is towards the, when solution of linear inequality expression is true, then graph is towards the origin side. Towards origin side. Now, these are also given inequalities like x is greater than or equals to 0. We can write it in this form, x is equal to 0. Always remember, when x is equal to 0, this is known as equation of y-axis. It lies on y-axis, equation of y-axis. And when y is greater than or equals to 0, it means its associated equation is y is equal to 0. This is equation of x-axis. Now I am drawing a graph. This is y-axis. You know very well about this line. This is y-axis and this one is x-axis. Central point is origin. Divide this line into equal intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Now, as in case of first linear inequality expression, first point is 3 and 0, value of x is 3 and value of y is 0. So 1, 2, 3. So this point lies here. Here value of x is 3 and value of y is 0. I have written this point on this intercept. And second, y-intercept gives value 0 and minus 2. Value x 0, on x-axis it lies on 0 and y-axis it is on minus 2. Suppose this minus 2 lies here. This is 0 and minus 2. Now join these 2 points. Second linear inequality expression, 6 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose this point lies at this point 6, 0. Value of x 6 and value of y 0, and its y-intercept point 0 and 4. Value of x is 0 and value of y is plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 at this point 0 and 4. Now join these 2 points. Third thing is x is equal to 0. This is equation of y-axis. At this line, x is equal to 0. And x is greater than or equals to 0. X is greater than 0 lies at this side because value of x is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, while on this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So x is greater than 0. So x lies in this region. As it is also given in question, draw the graph in feasible region. So we will draw the graph only in first coordinate. Listen me again, I am repeating. First of all, we have draw this line 3 and 0, 0 and minus 2. The solution of this inequality expression is true, so that's why its graph is towards the origin. Right? This is second line. I am writing its equation here. 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. While this is second equation, second line, its equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. And third one is x is equal to 0 lies on this line on y-intercept, and y is equal to 0, this lies on this x-intercept. Y is equal to 0. Y is greater than or equals to 0. Y lies on this line towards in first region, in first coordinate. X lies on this y-axis towards the first coordinate. Graph shaded towards origin. Second line graph also towards origin. So this is our required shaded area where all lines intersect in first quadrant in feasible region. So this is our required graph according to the requirement of the question. This is the feasible region. Feasible region means a region which lies in first quadrant. So this is the required feasible region of the given following linear inequalities. Now next question is that find their corner points. You can see in this diagram, first point A, this point is first point 1, point 2, point 3 and point 4. Now I am writing the points which are already calculated. Suppose this one origin is 0, 0 and this one is 3 and 0. A origin, this is B point suppose, and this one is C point unknown, and this one is D point. We know this V point. C point is unknown and D point is 0 and 4. Okay, we have one point is still unknown. To calculate this point, first of all try to understand this point lies on which lines. This point is obtained by joining linear inequality expression 1 and linear inequality expression 2. So equation of first is 2x. I am solving here. 2x minus 3y इज इक्वल टू 6. ये जो पॉइंट है इसको आपने देखना है कि ये जो पॉइंट अननोन है ये क्यों कौन सी दो इक्वेशंस हैं उन पर लाई करता है. दिस इज फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, associated equation of first linear inequality expression, and this is second equation of linear inequality expression. So with the help of these two equations, with the help of these two linear inequality expressions associated equation, we will calculate this corner point. 2x minus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. By adding 4x is equal to 18, value of x is 9/2. This is value of x. Now put this value of x in any one out of these two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to, suppose in place of x put its value. 2 is equal to 9/2 plus 3y is equal to 12. Cancel out. 3y is equal to 12 minus 9, and y is equal to 3y is equal to 3. Value of y is equal to 1. So this is unknown required point having value 9/2 for x and 1 for y. So now I am writing all points. So this C point is 9/2 and 1. So now I am writing again corner points. First origin corner point is 0, 0. This one is B corner point is 3 and 0. And this C corner point is 9/2 and 1. And this D corner point is 0 and 4. So this is our required solution. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.